SNS Institutions. Today we are going to discuss about dictionary concept. How the data are stored in dictionary data. So this is the built-in data type used in Python concept. So there are 4 types available in the Python. So in my previous video we have discussed about list concept. The next concept will be your dictionary. So here, what is the main objective to going into the dictionary concept is all the values will be stored in key and value. Key, colon, value. What does mean by key and value pairs? We have to mention the value will be stored in this variable. Maybe like that we can assume that. So here I am giving the values 10, 20. So here I am giving the values 10, 20. What the 10 value says, what the 20 value says. That is the core of key. So this is called as a value. So while storing the values, we need to specify the key and the value. So the list concept going to store only the values. But instead of using the values, I am specifying the what the value says. So that is the usage of dictionary. So it is also the order one. So it is we can't able to add or remove the items in the list concept. So here the main advantage is that we can. So here it does not allow any duplicate of item. What does mean by duplicate means? So some cases we may give same number is repeated. So like that we can't able to give it the dictionary file format. So let us see the syntax for creating the dictionary. So here we need to specify the variable name. So for creating the dictionary, we need to use a function. We need to use a curly braces. So inside of the curly braces only, I am going to give the value. So here I am representing the key and value back. So I am specifying the name is in name colon. So the value of string. So ABC. So I need to specify one more value. So here maybe the mark 1 colon 100. Mark 2 colon 70. Mark 3 colon 8. So here I am creating the 4 values which is of ABC. It is going to store under the concept of name 100. So it is going to store the value of mark 1. So 70 will be mark 2, 80 will be mark 3. So like that only we have to create a dictionary. So here instead of mentioning all the values in a different format, I forgot to add some data here. So here I am adding mark 3 as twice. So what it is going to do is here I am giving the mark 3 as 70. So while printing the A value, so I am printing the A value. What will be the result means? The result will be of name colon ABC, mark 1 colon 100, mark 2 colon 70. So I told that dictionary do not allow the multiplication, do not allow the duplication. So the last mark 1 mark data will be displayed. Here I mentioned mark 3 as 70. So the result will be of name ABC, mark 1 will be the 100, mark 2 will be the 70, mark 3 will be the 70. So this is the result by printing the A value. So here same concept. If you want to find the number of values present in the dictionary means we have to use the function called length of A. So while giving the length of A, how many values are there it is going to display. So here how many values are there? 4 values are there. So it displays the result as 4. So this alone is possible in dictionary means no. So here I have to add one more concept, that is the list. So here in case I want to specify multiple values to be stored in a single key means it is also possible. So how we are going to create that one is, so I am just replacing the mark 3 as mark 4. Here I am mentioning the 2 more values with the list concept 70, 20, 30. So what I have added is mark 4 in my previous example says as mark 4 will be multiple values. While printing the print A, it is displayed as mark 1 is ABC, mark 2 is 100, sorry, mark 1 is 100, mark 2 is 70, mark 3 is 80, mark 4 is in the list concept, 70, 20 and 30. So in this video, what we have discussed is dictionary, how we are going to create a dictionary in the Python, and how we are going to add the list concept in the dictionary, and how we are going to get the size of the dictionary. Thank you.